Medium heavy duty truck system. Celette has. It's called the Mamouth. It comes with these towers, like you see here. There's different basic setups as far as how you want to expand your system. So the basic setup would be 3 of these towers, like you see. It has a rail system in the floor that the towers anchor into. You have different tonnages of rams that you can apply into each tower. The system has different capabilities as far as taking a twist out of a frame or a diamond out of the frame. The centerline gauge, electronic gauge, you would use 10 roughly reference points. Depending on the length of the frame, you may need more or you may need less. Depending on the damage, you may need more or maybe less. So the technology is there is a laser beam that comes out and hits 4 targets on the centerline gauge. And so the reflection of that is how it calculates. And so it knows the position of the alignment gauge as far as height, and then as far as left or right of center line. And then you can build your repair plan off of that as far as where to place or pull, push or pull on the frame to do the realignment of the rails. It is a live measurement, so you can sit there as you're pushing in the damaged area. And so you can set the alignment gauge in that reference area. And as you're pulling or pushing, it will give you a live data so you can track the movement of the frame rails. For product information on Mamouth or any other product that we offer, you can contact us at 1-800-CELETTE.